Welcome to Globe Trek. I'm Ionel Tilburg, and today we're diving into the essential items you'll need for your 2024 travels. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big adventure, having the right gear can make all the difference. From organization tools to comfort-enhancing gadgets, these travel must-haves will ensure your journey is smooth and enjoyable. Let's explore the top Amazon travel essentials you shouldn't leave home without. Packing cubes. Packing cubes are an absolute must-have for any traveler in 2024, especially for those who value organization and efficiency. These handy tools allow you to compartmentalize your luggage, making it easy to categorize items like clothing, accessories, and toiletries. By compressing your belongings into neat, separate sections, packing cubes maximize space in your suitcase and ensure that everything remains in place during transit. One of the biggest advantages of using packing cubes is the ease of access they provide. Rather than rummaging through a disorganized suitcase, you can simply pull out a specific cube to find what you need. This is particularly useful for longer trips where multiple changes of clothes are necessary. Additionally, packing cubes help keep dirty laundry separate from clean clothes, making the return journey much more pleasant. In 2024, packing cubes come in a variety of sizes, colors, and materials to suit different travel needs and preferences. Look for durable, lightweight options with mesh tops for breathability and visibility. Many sets are also designed to be water-resistant, protecting your belongings from spills and moisture. Investing in a high-quality set of packing cubes can greatly enhance your travel experience, ensuring that you stay organized and stress-free throughout your journey. Portable charger. In an increasingly digital world, a portable charger is an essential travel accessory for 2024. Whether you're navigating with GPS, capturing memories on your smartphone, or staying connected with loved ones, keeping your devices charged is crucial. A reliable portable charger ensures that you won't be left stranded with a dead battery during your adventures. Modern portable chargers come with various features to meet different needs. High-capacity power banks can charge multiple devices simultaneously, making them ideal for families or tech-savvy travelers. Many models now offer fast charging capabilities, significantly reducing the time needed to recharge your gadgets. Some even come with solar panels, providing an eco-friendly option for recharging on the go. When selecting a portable charger, consider factors such as size, weight, and capacity. Look for compact and lightweight models that won't add unnecessary bulk to your luggage. Ensure the charger has multiple ports and is compatible with your devices. Investing in a high-quality portable charger can save you from the inconvenience and frustration of running out of power, allowing you to focus on enjoying your travel experience. Travel adapter. A universal travel adapter is a small but indispensable item for international travelers in 2024. Different countries have different plug types and voltage standards, and having a versatile adapter ensures that you can use your electronic devices wherever you go. A good travel adapter allows you to plug in and power up your devices safely and conveniently, regardless of your destination. Modern travel adapters are designed with multiple plug configurations to accommodate various outlet types around the world. Some advanced models even include built-in USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously without the need for additional chargers. This feature is particularly useful for travelers who carry multiple gadgets, such as smartphones, tablets, cameras, and laptops. Safety is a crucial consideration when choosing a travel adapter. Look for adapters with surge protection to safeguard your devices against voltage spikes and electrical surges. Additionally, ensure that the adapter is compatible with the voltage standards of the countries you plan to visit. By investing in a high-quality travel adapter, you can stay connected and powered up throughout your travels, avoiding the hassle of searching for the right plug or worrying about damaging your electronics. Noise-canceling headphones. Noise-canceling headphones are a game-changer for travelers in 2024, offering a peaceful and immersive audio experience. Whether you're on a long-haul flight, a noisy train, or a bustling city street, these headphones can significantly enhance your travel comfort by blocking out unwanted ambient noise. This allows you to enjoy your music, podcasts, or audiobooks without distractions, creating a serene travel environment. Modern noise-canceling headphones come with advanced features such as adjustable noise cancellation levels, high-quality sound output, and comfortable, ergonomic designs. Many models are wireless, using Bluetooth technology to connect to your devices, which eliminates the hassle of tangled cords. Some headphones also include additional features like touch controls, voice assistance, and long battery life, making them a versatile accessory for any traveler. When selecting noise-canceling headphones, consider factors such as sound quality, battery life, comfort, and portability. Look for models with durable build quality and compact designs that can be easily stored in your carry-on luggage. Investing in a good pair of noise-canceling headphones can transform your travel experience, allowing you to relax and focus on your entertainment or work, regardless of your surroundings. Travel pillow. A travel pillow is an essential item for ensuring comfort during long journeys in 2024. Whether you're traveling by plane, train, or car, a good travel pillow can provide the necessary support to prevent neck strain and help you rest more comfortably. The right travel pillow can make the difference between a restful journey and an uncomfortable one, allowing you to arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Travel pillows come in various shapes and sizes to suit different preferences and needs. U-shaped pillows are popular for providing neck support, while inflatable pillows offer adjustable firmness and are easy to pack. Memory foam pillows are known for their comfort and support, conforming to the shape of your neck and head. Some travel pillows even come with added features like built-in hoods, earplugs, or pockets for your phone. When choosing a travel pillow, consider factors such as material, size, and portability. Look for pillows made from breathable, washable fabrics that are easy to care for. Compact and lightweight designs are ideal for travelers who need to save space in their luggage. By investing in a high-quality travel pillow, you can enhance your travel experience, ensuring that you stay comfortable and well-rested on the go. Lightweight luggage. Lightweight luggage is a must-have for travelers looking to make their journeys more convenient and stress-free in 2024. With airlines imposing stricter weight limits and baggage fees, having a suitcase that is both light and durable can save you money and hassle. Lightweight luggage is easier to maneuver, reducing the physical strain of traveling and making it more enjoyable. Modern lightweight luggage is made from high-tech materials like polycarbonate and ballistic nylon, which offer durability without adding extra weight. Many suitcases also come with innovative features such as 360-degree spinner wheels, telescopic handles, and expandable compartments. These features enhance the ease of travel, allowing you to navigate airports, train stations, and city streets with minimal effort. When selecting lightweight luggage, consider the size, weight, and durability of the suitcase. Look for models with sturdy zippers, reinforced corners, and high-quality wheels to ensure longevity. Additionally, choose luggage with multiple compartments and organizational features to keep your belongings neatly arranged. Investing in high-quality lightweight luggage can transform your travel experience, making it more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable. Portable water filter. A portable water filter is an invaluable item for travelers in 2024, especially for those venturing into remote areas or countries with questionable water quality. Clean drinking water is essential for health and safety, and a portable water filter ensures you have access to safe water wherever you go. These filters are designed to remove bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants, making them ideal for hiking, camping, and international travel. Modern portable water filters are compact and easy to use. Some popular models include straw filters, which allow you to drink directly from a water source, and pump filters, which can purify larger quantities of water. There are also gravity filters that use the force of gravity to filter water, making them a good option for groups. Many of these filters are lightweight and fit easily into a backpack or carry-on luggage. When choosing a portable water filter, consider the filtration capacity, ease of use, and the types of contaminants it can remove. Look for filters that are tested and certified to meet international standards for water safety. Investing in a reliable portable water filter can provide peace of mind and ensure you stay hydrated and healthy during your travels. Travel-sized toiletry bottles. Travel-sized toiletry bottles are a must-have for travelers who want to maintain their hygiene routines while adhering to airline liquid restrictions. These small, reusable bottles allow you to carry your favorite shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and other liquids without taking up much space in your luggage. They are particularly useful for short trips and for those who prefer using their own products rather than hotel-provided toiletries. These bottles are typically made from durable, leak-proof materials such as silicone or BPA-free plastic. They often come in sets with different colors or labels, making it easy to identify the contents. Some sets include additional accessories like funnels and spatulas to help with filling and transferring liquids. Many travel-sized toiletry bottles are also designed to be squeezable, allowing you to easily dispense the right amount of product. When selecting travel-sized toiletry bottles, ensure they meet TSA regulations for carry-on liquids, which typically means they should be no larger than 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters. Look for bottles with secure caps to prevent leaks and spills. Investing in a good set of travel-sized toiletry bottles can make packing easier and help you maintain your personal care routine no matter where you go. Compact Travel Umbrella. A compact travel umbrella is an essential item for staying dry and comfortable while traveling in 2024. Weather can be unpredictable, and having a reliable umbrella on hand ensures you are prepared for sudden rain showers or intense sun. A good travel umbrella is lightweight, durable, and easy to carry, making it a convenient addition to your travel gear. Modern compact umbrellas are designed to be small enough to fit into a backpack, purse, or even a jacket pocket. They often feature sturdy frames made from materials like aluminum or fiberglass, which provide strength without adding weight. Some models have wind-resistant designs, with reinforced canopies and flexible ribs that can withstand strong gusts. Additionally, many travel umbrellas come with UV protection, offering shade and protection from harmful sun rays. When choosing a compact travel umbrella, consider factors such as size, weight, and durability. Look for models with automatic open and close functions for ease of use, and ensure the canopy is made from water-repellent and quick-drying fabric. Investing in a high-quality compact travel umbrella can enhance your travel experience by keeping you dry and comfortable, regardless of the weather. Travel Security Belt. A travel security belt is a practical accessory for keeping your money and important documents safe while on the go in 2024. Designed to look like a regular belt, these belts feature hidden pockets or compartments where you can store cash, credit cards, and even small passports. This discreet method of carrying valuables reduces the risk of theft and gives you peace of mind while exploring new destinations. Travel security belts are typically made from durable materials such as nylon or leather, and they come in various styles to match different outfits. The hidden compartments are usually zippered and designed to be easily accessible, yet secure enough to prevent items from falling out. Some belts are adjustable and feature plastic or metal-free buckles, making them comfortable and suitable for airport security checks. When selecting a travel security belt, consider the size and number of hidden pockets, the material, and the overall comfort. Look for belts that are well reviewed for their durability and security features. Investing in a reliable travel security belt can help you keep your valuables safe and secure, allowing you to enjoy your travels without worry. As we look forward to the adventures that 2024 will bring, having the right travel essentials can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey. From packing cubes that keep your luggage organized to noise-canceling headphones that provide a serene travel environment, these must-have items can enhance every aspect of your trip. Portable chargers and universal travel adapters keep your devices powered and connected, while travel pillows and lightweight luggage ensure comfort and convenience. Adding to these essentials, portable water filters guarantee access to safe drinking water, and travel-sized toiletry bottles help maintain your personal care routine. Compact travel umbrellas prepare you for any weather, and travel security belts keep your valuables safe. By investing in these top Amazon travel must-haves, you can travel with confidence and ease, knowing you are well prepared for any situation. Thank you for joining me on Globe Trek. Here's to safe and happy travels in 2024.